Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log in to BestBuy credit card account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the search box, type in BestBuy credit card login. Press enter on your keyboard and you'll end up in the search result on the next page. Click on this first link that says My BestBuy credit card login or apply-citi.com. To log into your BestBuy credit card account, you'll need to go to the Citibank website over here. In the user ID text box, type in your registered user ID associated with the account. And on the next field, type in the correct password. If you don't remember your credentials, you can click on the Retrieve User ID or the Reset Password link and follow through the instructions to look for them. Finally, after you are done, click the Sign On button. In order to log into your BestBuy credit card, BestBuy credit card is a credit card that can be used at Best Buy stores and bestbuy.com. It offers rewards and financing options to its card holders. Once you're logged into your account, you can manage your account anytime you want with any devices with an internet connection. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.